Hi, my name is Alex CARLUCCI with Gustan Cho Associates. I'm trying to answer some questions today, and the question today is, should I use a bank or a mortgage broker? And my answer is you should use us. We're a mortgage banker, so we're in between. So if you go to a big bank, one of the big names, I don't want to name names, you go to them, they have very strict rules. So they have, some of the banks say 700 credit scores, you need 20% down, or we only go to 43 DTI. They have overlays on the rules. Now you may enter into your loan application with one of these big banks fitting into their program, but then you may find out, hey, I got disputes on my credit report, I have to remove those, now my score fell, I don't qualify. Or the mortgage broker, banker, the bank guy, maybe miscalculated DTI and you were under 43, now you're over 43. So that's the downside of the bank. Now, the upside of the bank is it's nice to pay that big bank. They got the name, you feel like you're in good hands and you're not dealing with, anything shady at all. Not that there's something shady out there, but it's just you got a good name and hopefully the processing time's fast. And you get to pay a big bank's name, you get to write the check, and they got all the software when you mail in your checks. But you can walk in and pay them if you ever want to walk in and pay your mortgage. Some silly things, but not a lot of advantages. Now, if you go to a mortgage broker, they could shop around and they could fit you in if you got a unique situation. They have all the options of which program to put you in. So they have an ability to maybe find a unique product that big bank can't find. So they got lots of advantages. But you also might wind up with some weird name that you never heard of. Like, what the heck is the name of this bank? And they're going to sell your loan over and over and over again. So you got that. That's a downside. And you got, the good thing is about the mortgage brokers, they can find the fastest bank if you need fast. If you want the lowest rate, but they're a little slower, you can do that. So sometimes when you go to a big bank, you may get a good rate, but you're just stuck to their underwriting times. If it's 45 days, it's 45 days. When you go to a broker, they might have a bank that can close in 25 days, or they might with a little bit higher rate, or they might have a bank that closes in 45 days that might have a lower rate. So you got that option when you go to a broker, and they're more flexible at the broker shop. Up here, we're a mortgage banker at our shop, so we have the best of both worlds. We can bank it and be a mortgage banker. We keep it in house, and you get the treatment like you get sold to one of these big banks, and you get to pay that big bank. So that's one thing. We also have the option, if you don't qualify, we can easily pivot to a unique higher DTI allowing bank, or some unique thing like you have a short sale inside of a bankruptcy. Not many people can do that, but if you foreclose your home inside of a bankruptcy, there's a 4-year waiting period after the Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Now you can go get a mortgage after 4 years, but not all banks will honor that. So we can pivot to do unique things here. So we bank the loan, and we have the ability to be a broker too. So give us a call if you got any problems, any questions. We do all sorts of stuff here at Gustan Cho Associates at Loan Cabin. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.